jokers that can sell mentorships. Learn this in 5 minutes. How to have a 100% strike rate. That's bullshit. But suckers will buy into that all the time. Why? Because right now everything's painful. It's scary because things are so expensive. And it's going to be more expensive in 2025, in 2026, in 2027. No matter who gets in that office in the White House, we're going to have hard times. I'm not going to be immune to it. I'm going to spend more money than I'm used to spending, but the difference is I have more money to spend. You might not. You might see what happens here in the next 5 to 6 weeks, and it completely blows you out psychologically, and you can't focus because the stress is too high. And trading, you won't be able to focus on trading because you're worrying about external issues that are real tangible issues because you have a family to take care of. You have needs and ends to make meet. And you're going to tell yourself, I need. No, you don't. I have to. No, you don't. No, you don't. None of you have to trade ever. None of you need the next trade to be a winner. That's just you saying that. If you never found investing or trading, you wouldn't say things like that. But because you knew the opportunity is there, and you see the influence of other people saying, look at my payout. Look at my payout. Look at my payout. They're doing that because they're signaling because they need attention. They need to remind themselves. It's like a pinch for them because they can't believe they just did that. They cannot believe they just pulled that off. And that's why they're sharing it online. Someone that is come to terms with themselves, they have confidence in themselves, they are not doing, here's how much money I made. Here's how much money. Look at me. Look over here. Hey, you. You over there. I know you don't even trade, but stop for a second. Look what the fuck I just did. Look at that, bro. Come at me. Nobody cares that much. Nobody cares that much. But if someone will like that comment or retweet it or give you an attaboy, attagirl, that means more than what you just made in money. That means more than what you earned in your trading. Tell me how that makes fucking sense. Some of you are sitting there laughing to yourself like, yeah, that's exactly what the hell's going on when I do it. I never thought about that either. Right. Because your shit's all twisted, your perspective's all messed up. You're not in the market to impress people. You're not here to impress people. You're not in here to entertain people. You're not in here to measure up against somebody else. You got ends to meet. And when you're making bread on the constant, when you're in here making money, putting your nose to the grind, mind your own fucking business, making money, you don't give two shits what people think. You don't care because you've been doing it. It's an everyday thing. It's another fucking Tuesday to me. Okay, it's all it is. It's another fucking Tuesday. Nothing different. It's a different paycheck, a different income increase, and I didn't have to do anything different. But you complicate the things emotionally and psychologically by inviting other people's opinion about what you did. If you know what you're doing works, why are you posting what you made?
Relationship hakunanga kitu eti machiwa pale.
Hi Victor. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? So are you guys bullish or bearish? Where do you see this market going? Is it going higher? Is it going lower? Is it going higher? Is it going lower? So last week we were bullish and we had this up gap. It gapped higher. So on the 4H we trade into this order block, and then want to see this upper fair value gap on the 4H. If we can hit that, because right now what it's doing, it's delivering higher prices. So I want to see this level. Yeah, so I don't care if I miss the move, but then I'm interested in what's happening inside this level. Yeah. So inside this level that I've shared, this shaded level, this shaded region, I'm interested in what's happening here. So if this price really wants to deliver to that price that I've shown you on the 4H, or let's see the daily. So the daily, we're having this volume imbalance on the daily time frame. So we hit it and you see that. So this fair value gap is holding price. So are you guys bullish? Are you guys bearish? Yeah, so this is what I was waiting for, so that level. Yeah, so I'm ready. So I'm bearish. The overall price at premium levels. First presented fair value gap is holding. I've actually short yes 500. The first presented fair value gap form of IAVG will experience strong sell-offs today. Okay. So yeah, we're having that. So I was waiting for this. So if I wanted to go long, then I wanted to see this price trade above here, but then because this level failed to hold, I want to see what's happening. So there's up close candle inside this. I want to see this act as a bearish fair value gap. Bearish order block, I mean. So bearish order block. Yeah, so we see this act as an order block, bearish order block. So let's see. Yogi. Okay. Ooh, let's go. So if we can trade, if we can have a down, a close around this level, then we are probably going towards that new week opening up. So I don't want to see this level hold, because right now what's still holding is this bullish order block. Okay, so after taking out that 7 a.m. liquidity, this bullish order block, so trade holding price. But then right now I don't want to see, I want to see price trade and close below, just below this. If we can have that down close, if people knew that one will make a living with this live, they will literally join in thousands. So let me screenshot that. Okay, but then Yugi, let me tell you one thing. It's only fluff that sells, so serious things like this, it's only meant for the 1%. Okay, so regardless, provided you are among the 1%, that's all that matters. You shouldn't care about other people. Okay, yeah, so they're adults and they know what they're doing, so after all they'll just do what they have to do, what they know best. So you guys know me that I always take partial, so 10 contracts, so I'm taking half of my portions, half of my positions off here. That's true, my guy. Yeah, so fluff sells, but then serious things like this, nah. People will still say it's a scam. So why not mark 934 as the first presented fair value gap? Why is 934? Why not mark 934? So is that 934? I'm not seeing any fair value gap. I'm not seeing any fair value gap on 934. There is only a fair value gap on 933. Same 6 contracts of 4 pending. Nice. You just have to take some contracts off, some positions off, because you never know. Yeah, 933. Yeah, so I've marked it as you see. Okay, sorry, it's only that I extended it there, but then there's 933. This is the portion that I've highlighted to be the first presented fair value gap. Nice one, Victor. Yeah, so that's the mentality. So right now, because we've closed below the main threshold of this order block, so don't think that it's going to hold price. No, it's not going to hold price. It never will. So I want to see it rip below this true day open. Oh, we're having true day open down here, so it might as well just do that. Okay, so Parikshit, I've highlighted first presented, 933 as the first presented favor lookup, so that's it. Oh, sorry, you saw that I highlighted this. My bad. So, sorry about that. So, this was an IAVG, so it merely failed to hold price going higher. We trade below it, and then what's the other fair value? Yeah, so it's not the first presented fair value gap, so it was just an IAVG. Sorry, it's just an IAVG. Okay. Oh, makes sense. Yeah, sorry about that. So once we hit the TP, double tap the screen, give me some likes, man. You can't be doing this to me. 130 likes.
Yes, hoodie. Hey, mera.
I use first presented favor logger, but I usually use the gaps. Enter off quadrant levels. So right now we're trading inside this fair value gap. Okay. 60 star. Let me see this. The yes. Oh, nice. Wow. So let's just wait for this so if it can just give us this that TP, then we'll be fine. Yeah, so someone told me you went short on S&P 500, so that was nice. That was nice. So right now I still believe we are going to hit that. So what is it going to do up there? I don't know. Dow consolidating. Tricky. So what do you guys think? Does it have the ability to go lower? So failed take out this low, so it's okay. Failed take out that low and stopped out in profit. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, at least you're managing your risks. So I wanted to see it give us this 4H, this 4H low. Yeah, that's what if the first presented for value gap bearish, do you mark the first bullish for value gap as well? I had ICT say related to this. Okay, let me confirm. So if it can take out this low, then let's see what happens. First presented fair value gap is bearish. Okay, do you mark the first presented fair value gap as well? The first bullish fair value gap as well. Okay, it's like I'm not understanding, I'm not getting your question. If first presented fair value gap is bearish, do you mark the first bullish fair value gap as well? I heard it to say something related to this. That I don't know. So you're having this fair value gap and also this order block. Now that we've traded below this, I don't want to see it hold. So guys, once you understand price action, I mean, you don't panic. 6 sister is really bullish. Ooh, okay. So this level is holding. Okay, that I'll go and check that out, but then I'm not so sure about it. So what do you guys think? Because it failed to take out, to hit my first TP. And right now, I don't know. Well, I should now reduce the risk. I'm expecting the first gap to be inverted. Okay. Growing limits. Okay, but then I don't like whatever it has done here. So if at all I want to be bullish, then whatever it's doing here I don't like. But then price is price. Price will do whatever it wants to do. So it failed to take out this low. So man, crazy. Yeah, so if we are to be bullish, then at least take some meaningful sell side liquidity for us, then give us a pattern to go long on. Yeah, so the all of these I can't trust. These might as well just work out, but then no, that's not my cup of tea. That's not my vanilla setup. So if I wanted to go long, okay, but then today it's like it has taken too long. Yeah, so I'm waiting. You guys know that I normally wait for 10:30. So if I want to, if we are inside 10:30 and it has not done anything meaningful, then I might reverse. Look for an opposite. So right now I was going short. So past 10:30 I want to look for something going long or a continuation. Yeah, but then I'll just have to wait and see. I'll just have to wait and see what price wants to give me. So just 2 minutes. 2 minutes to 10:30. 2 minutes to 10:30. Should I hold the position? What do you think? What do you think? Okay, I don't know, but then I don't know how you guys trade. I don't know how you guys trade, but something like this. I don't know. I wouldn't touch it even with a 10-foot pole. Yeah, so a pattern like this, even with a 10-foot pole, I won't touch it. So that's the reason why I have not closed on this position. So for me, it's like I just want to see what will pan out. Okay, just want to see. So if you look at the six sister, yes, so it gave us this higher high, and here we have this high, lower high. So kidogo ni mbaya. So guys, give me some likes, guys. So let's hit if we hit TP, give me 1,000 likes. This is just pumping, but then I'm not really trusting those longs, but then price is price will do whatever it wants to do. So right now it's 10:30. So 10:30, I want to see a new range. So right now we had this low and that high. So let me show you guys. We had this high and this low. That's the range that we have right now. So past 10:30, we want to create a new range. So new ranges come with the new setups. So because it's doing this, I want to, so if it can give me this low, I'm going to take out 15. Yeah, so if it can give me that low, I'm taking the bulk of my positions off. Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound? That sound of money. So right now my trade is at break even, just that high that we formed there. So I want to see a new So it is at break even. So right now the trade is risk free. So the bulk of it came off here. So that's managing risk. So guys, give me 1,000 likes. So we hit the TP. Give me 1,000 likes. Yeah, I'm collecting my cheat. You guys owe me 1,000 likes. Yeah, msikwe hivyo. Likes ni kitu ya kunyima mtu. So we've taken out that low, but then why is it rejecting? So I need to see close low. So that will determine if our next setup is going to be a continuation or we're just coming to take out liquidity. Yeah, so guys, give me 1,000 likes. So that was some nice trade. So in as much as we had this deeper pullback, so let me show you guys something on the six sister. So okay, what I want to show you is not there. So guys, 1,000 likes. Okay, what ES did, so You see, it merely did this, yeah, in contrast with the NQ. So this low high, this low taken out, fair value gap. So this low high, lower low. So price returning into this level. So this high and this high, failure swing. Okay. So this low to this high, what do we call this? High, low, lower high, shift, return into this leg. So if it really wants to do that, then that's what we need to be seeing happening here also. Let's go. So what's happening here is that if you fail to take out a trade, then yes, S&P 500 is giving you an entry, but then you can't see. So if you want to chase, then don't trade on this. If you trade on this, then you'll be chasing. So this one gave us this low. So when we hit the new week opening up, I want to be taking partials. So let me see, guys, we're still lagging behind. We are at 630. So guys, give me 1,000 only, 1,000 likes only. Mnafanya na waomba likes. So let me see. Sorry about that. I understand. So the 25%, 25 quadrant, I want to take out 5. I mean, not 5. We are remaining with 5, so I want to take 2 off. Ian Kinyanjui, thank you. 2 off, okay. Okay, so guys, give me my 1,000 likes. So 2 off. Olua. So two contracts comes off here. So right now, so we're having this low high. So I want to scale my, I mean, we've traded to this level and I'm seeing that. So yeah, so we are at 1,000 likes. So I came to collect my cheat and you guys have given that to me, so thank you. So I want to run with 1, so I want to take 1 off there. So right now I'm remaining with 4 and I'm now scaling my stop loss. So guys, can you see the essence of taking partials? Yeah, so AUBTC, thank you for the follow, and any other person who is new, just give me a follow. So up here we're having this fair value gap. So immediately we took out this low, we are having this fair value gap. So what I was saying on ES, yeah, yeah, so that's nice, that's good, that's good. So if you failed to catch something on NQ, then ES was having something good for you, something good for you. So two, okay. So guys, today being a Monday, what I want to see is so let me see the likely range where we might 1.5. So 1.5 just around there. So that I'll just have that, and I'm going to leave a runner. So I'm going to leave a runner. So guys, don't copy what I'm doing. Yeah, this is just speculation. I don't know if it will trade there. I'm just speculating. So but then for me, I'm taking partials. So I want to see two contracts come off here. Yeah, so look at this fair value gap. Don't panic. We already took the bulk of our positions off, so whatever happens. We took our profits. If it wants to come and take us out, well and good. So you don't panic. Yeah, so regardless, even if it wants to give us a reversal setup, so we are trading past 10:30, so if we see it, we might just take it. So the market is full of opportunities, okay? So you just have to be patient and execute what you can see. So I don't like what ES is doing, so whatever it's doing, I don't like it. YM or US 30 or the Dow did that, return into this. Okay, so right now it's expanding. So because we've traded and closed above this, so I want to take one and yeah, so I'm having this fair value gap on the 5 minutes, and also there's up close candles in a downtrend. Okay, so there's fair value gap, and also there's a bearish order block. So can these levels hold price? So this is the first level, the second level, and my stop loss is slightly above the mean threshold of this bearish order block. So if it can expand towards that mean threshold, slightly above the mean threshold, then I'm probably offside and it can just take me out. Okay, so if I'm offside, then the market is giving us something new. Okay, so it's giving us something new, and if we see it, we'll still hop into it. Not good, not good. So if it takes me out, then so let's see. So up here I'm seeing something very important, something very important. So why that sensitivity? So we try into this volume imbalance. So guys, understand that volume imbalances are normally some of the weakest and also the strongest ICT PDRAs. Okay, strongest and also the weakest. So right now I'm watching. Okay, right now I'm watching if it wants to trade higher. So right now we are risk free, we are in profits. Okay, so it's a W. If we really now want to trade higher, okay, if we want to trade higher, then I don't want to see price trade into this fair value gap. So you see this lower fair value gap. So if it can just leave this and take me out, then I'm going to be looking for a long setup. But if it can manage to trade below this, then I'm going to wait for more information. So I'm going to believe we want to come down here, but then we have to wait. And also time, guys, 10:50, 11:10 macro, watch out for that. Yeah, something good might take place around that time. Something good. Olua. So just want to see it trade into this level, because right now I'm bearish, and also we've really purged into the new week opening gap, slightly around the upper quadrant. But then on the 5 minutes we're having this fair value gap, so I can see it's holding, and also on the 1 minute we are having that volume imbalance. So we shall fear nothing. All over. Yeah, so what it's doing there, so right now I don't care, so my stop is just going to be scaled there. Yeah, so I'm scaling my stop there to this. So because it has traded into this and I didn't want to see it trade into this, so I have to be more cautious, more, yeah, because if this level can hold, then and it comes and takes out that high, then this up close candle, this up close candle, that's my line of defense, my last line of defense. And in 1 2 2, so 1050, I mean 1050 to 1110, there's normally something going on in the market, so Oluwa. Yeah, so let it take me out. So it's 6:53 Nairobi time. So guys, once it takes me out, so I'm not going to be interested in going long, because right now where we're trading and paid for some choppiness, so accumulation somehow, because right now if we really wanted to go higher, then it could have left during this time, yeah, so trading higher. But now because it gave us this low high, took out this low, so what's happening here, it's just returning into this, so from this low to this high, take out that low, so around this level, that's something with this, it's kind of sluggish, so it's ranging, okay, So if it takes me out, then I'm going to end the live there and come back tomorrow. Oluwa, Oluwa. Come on. Nitoe maze, nitoe. Yes. Haitaki. Okay. If we trade above this level, then I'm out. So right now there's up close candle that traded into that volume imbalance. So right now it's holding price. So price has revisited its low, and we're seeing that sensitivity around that price. So can it just push higher? Because I'm also tired. I want to go do some other things. I need to eat. So W, pushing pace. Oluwa. And there we go. Yeah, so it was nice. So that was one good trade. Okay, that was one good trade. So let me close all my recordings. All Oluwa. Yeah, so any order left in the marketplace should be closed, because we had that and it was nice. So Friday W, Monday W, Tuesday W. So this week we are going to have W's. Okay, so until then, see you guys. I don't like whatever is happening, but then if you want to if you can see your setup, then just execute. For me, I'm not interested. Yeah, so Mafia, welcome. So I'm not interested in going long. So if it wants to go higher without me, then well and good, but then I'm not interested in going higher, in buying this thing. Yeah, so I'm not interested in buying. And yeah, I'm asking for mentorship. How do I contact you, and do you offer? Yes, I do offer mentorship. So depends. Okay, so I've been having I'm having a cohort that we started with on, was it November? Yeah, so November to around February, November, December, January. So around February, that first cohort will be done. We'll have finished everything. So for that, we are if you want to join that, yeah, it's 30,000 for those 4 months. But then if you just want to understand price, yeah, and you're a comrade and you just want to pay one-time fee, and it's just the basics, I mean just understanding price, but then not touching any system or any model that you need to trade, then we can just talk, yeah, something lower than that. But my main mentorship goes for 30,000. Okay, so just DM me, Mafia, DM, and I'll reach out. Yep. Yeah, so even right now, after this live, I'm having a class. Yeah, after this live, I'm having a class. So my first mentorship, I only allowed for 10 people. So 10 people only, the first one. But then because I'm having too much time in between, because there are those people who normally take the morning classes, and also there are those people who want to take the evening classes. So it's not that stressful, so I can just accommodate few more people. Okay, but then you need to be serious first. Okay, you have to be serious. Okay, so again, I'm not trusting going long here. I'm not trusting going long. And this level that I highlighted, so we see do that. So 1050, 1110, probably we were trading into that 5 minutes fair value gap. Casca boy, what's up? So this 5 minutes fair value gap, it's holding. Sell Euro USD now. No, Forex for now, no. Is a no. So this 5 minutes fair value gap still holding. Yeah, so until you can push and trade above it. How are you doing? I'm doing good. This 5 minutes fair value gap still holding, so I'm not interested in going long. But then if you can find something that you like, I don't know how you trade, but then just go for it. But then be careful. The Six Sister doing nothing, really nothing. It's too much of nothingness, so I will touch it even with a 10-foot pole. YM also doing okay. So we had this accumulation, expanded, and then return into this level. That seeing this fair value gap here, and I don't know what it's doing. Yeah, so it fell short of taking out this buy side. So this high and this one also smooth, but then again I won't touch this because of this. Okay, so this like a high resistance liquidity run. So how do you know that it was a high resistance liquidity run? Cause where did we open at 9:30 here? Where is our new week opening up? So according to my level, so new week opening up or the new day opening up, so where we opened last night, so it's around here. So if you measure this gap, is it less than 50 points? Yes, it's 38. So that warrants a high resistance liquidity run. So whatever you want to do, you need to be more patient, and if you at all you want to trade such price action, then if you want to go long, then your stop should always be at the swing lows. Okay. So guys, I have to go now. Right now it's doing nothing, 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 nothing. And also it's playing, I mean, it's sensitive around the 930. So that tells you something, that tells you something. Yeah, so it's kind of very heavy. For this, we are still playing around this level. Yeah. So because it has done this, yeah, so if it's going to leave this level, then it's going to move with speed and distance. You're going to see long candles once it has done this. So around this level, what I'm simply watching is this low, this high, low, higher, high. If it can break below this, then these levels, those levels that you wanted to see huku chini will much likely be visited, but then we have to wait also. So also watching these 5 minutes fair value gap. So if we close above it, then yeah, you can try your luck. You can try your luck, but then for me, no. We don't talk about that. Oops. What the F? So 15 minutes. That's crazy. So yeah, whatever I was saying, man. On the 15 minutes, it's really rejecting that level. So for me, I'm done. Okay, I'm done for the day. So I'm not interested unless during the PM session I'll need to see something interesting. Yeah, but then for right now, I don't know. I don't care about higher prices, but the market is the boss. The market will do what it wants to do. So whatever I want to see it do might not happen, but then price is price, okay? So if you believe in your framework, in your model, then just execute what you see. Make sure you manage your risk properly. That's all that matters. So yeah. Books. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Whatever is happening here, I wouldn't touch it going higher. High, low, high, low, high, boom. This low to this high. Ranging around this level. We'll try above the true day open. Tin. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.